And now to political matters. The National Secretary of the All Progressives Congress, Senator Aiyedatiwa Bashiru, has charged the executive arm of government to champion constitutional obedience and allow other arms of government to function effectively in order to strengthen democracy and enhance good governance. He also called for the establishment of state and community policing systems. We have details in this report.
The fourth Distinguished Personality Lecture of the College of Law, Osun State University, Ifetedo. The event brings together politicians led by the governor of Ondo State, Lucky Aiyedatiwa, traditional rulers, and academics led by the Vice Chancellor of the university, Professor Clement Adeboye. In a lecture titled Democratic Governance, National Security, and the Rule of Law, Senator Aiyedatiwa Bashiru said the rule of law is essential in tackling the myriad of challenges facing the country, including insecurity. He called for a comprehensive overhaul of Nigeria's intelligence and security architecture, as well as the adoption of community policing strategies to ensure a safer nation.
Nigeria must embrace a multi-pronged strategy to ensure that democratic governance, accord firmly in the rule of law, serve as the most effective framework for achieving sustainable national security. This involves transforming democracy from the mere absence of military rule into a system anchored in justice, equity, and constitutionalism. The core message of this argument is clear. There can be no sustainable national security without the rule of law, and no effective rule of law outside a legitimate democratic framework. These principles are not merely theoretical aspirations. They are practical foundational pillars for a modern, stable, and prosperous Nigeria.
His submission was corroborated by Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa.
National security and rule of law, they are not abstract concepts. They define whether societies progress or stagnate, whether institutions endure or erode. And of a truth, we have just been reminded of the intricate link between democracy, security, and rule of law.
The organizers expressed optimism that the lecture will have a positive impact on national security and the rule of law. All the speakers agreed that strengthening public trust and reinforcing democratic norms will enable Nigeria to withstand present threats and position itself as a model of democratic resilience on the African continent. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Ifetedo, Osun State.